Hello students, good morning. In last class we have done about the vector and I have given two questions for solution that try to solve it. There is a a and b two vector given. Find the scalar product and vector product by using these two vectors. Then I hope you have done. Now next I am giving some other numericals. That first question, a constant force 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap Newton produced a displacement of 2I cap plus 3j cap 4k cap meter. Then what is the work done? This question you have to find out. Force given in your question, that a constant force this given produce a displacement of this given, this force and displacement in form of the vector given, then what will be work done? Then given term first we will write 2if 3j cap plus 4k cap. This force given and displacement given, that s displacement given 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. That is the displacement given. Now how we can find their work done? As we know that work done equal to our force dot displacement f dot ds, their dot product between them, not cross product. Then work done f dot s. So we will take their dot product of these two terms, 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and dot product 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap, like this one. Now we will take their I dot I. You have learnt that table. If you have learnt, then you can solve it, otherwise you can't solve, because I told you yesterday also that I dot I 1, j dot j 1, k dot k 1, remaining term will be 0. So I dot I, this one 1, I dot j, this one will be 0, I dot k will be 0. So first we will solve this one. 2 to the 4, I dot I will be 1, remaining term 0. So now we will solve this one. 3j cap with dot I 0, j dot j 1, so plus 3 3 ja 9, j dot j 1, j dot k 0. Now next 4, k dot I 0, k dot j 0, k dot k will be 1. So we can write there 4 4 ja 16. Understood now? Now this relation first we will add this one term. After adding, then our relation will come this. This will be work done joule. You know that if we are taking their dot product of two vector quantity, then it will give always scalar quantity. Here we get scalar quantity. Scalar means only we will get magnitude, not having any direction. That will be work done. Understood this question? Now next question I am giving. Second question, if magnitude of two vectors are 2 and 3 and magnitude of their scalar product is 3 under root 2, then find the angle between the vectors. Clear? they are given magnitude of two vector 2 and 3 and magnitude of their scalar product. These two vector having scalar product of these vector is given 3 under root 2. Then find out the angle between these vector. Then how we can find their vector? There is a two formula I told you. One is a relation A dot B equal to AB cos theta. This one relation. Second, A cross B equal to AB sin theta n cap. There is an extra component in cross product, that is a normal vector, normal unit vector, that is a indicating direction. So for the direction we can't use this one, because if we will find their angle then we don't know about this direction. That's why we will not use this relation, we will use this relation. And they're also given that is a scalar product, that's why we will use this relation. So we can write there a solution of this question: A dot B vector equal to AB cos theta. Now from here we can write there cos theta equal to A dot B divided by AB. AB means magnitude of A vector and magnitude of B vector. Now put value of the given term here, given upper side given. Now A given 2, B is 3 and A vector dot B vector given 3 under root 2. All term are given. So we can put value of their 3 under root 2, 3 into 2. Clear? This cancel out with this one. Now here left under root 2 by 2. From here we can write there 1 by under root 2, that is a cos theta. So from here we can write there cos theta equal to 45. Clear now? Now we can find. Clear to everyone? Now next question 4. What value of m, the vector A vector given 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap is perpendicular to B vector. B vector is given 3i cap minus mj cap plus 6k cap. Here A and B two vector is given. Now both are perpendicular with each other. Now find the value of m. Clear now? There m is given here. This value of this m we have to find out if both vectors are perpendicular to each other. First of all, we have to know about that condition of the perpendicular of two vector. What is the condition that two vector is perpendicular or not? Clear? Now as we know that A dot B equal to AB cos theta. Clear to everyone? If two vector, if A and B are perpendicular, that means we can say theta is 90 degree. For perpendicular, theta equal to 90 degree. This we can say. Clear now? Now put value of theta here. We can write there AB cos 90. And cos 90 we know that about this one, that it will be 0. Cos 90 0, then AB also will be 0. Then we can write there A dot B vector equal to 0. Understood now? This condition for the perpendicular vector. Now put value of these two vector in the given relation. A vector are given that 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap. This given already in your question. Now B vector is given. B vector is 3i cap minus mj cap plus 6k cap. Clear? Now A condition for the perpendicular A dot B 0. 4. Here we can write there for perpendicular. A dot b equal to 0. Now we will satisfy this condition, then we can find the value of m. Put value of this both vector in this relation. 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap dot 3i cap minus mj cap plus 6k cap equal to 0. Clear? Now dot product, this dot we will take the dot product. 2 dot 3 6, I will be 1. 2 I dot j 0, I dot k will be 0. So left this term. Now j dot i 0, j dot j 1. So multiply this term, plus minus 3 into m 3m. J dot k will be 0. So next term minus 6k cap dot 3i cap, 6k dot i 1, k dot j, sorry, k dot i 0, k dot j 0, k dot k will be 1. So now we can write there minus 6 plus 6 minus 36. Clear now? This will be equal to 0. There we can write there minus 30 minus 3m equal to will be 0. Clear? Now from here we can write there 3m equal to 30, then m we can write there minus 10. This one is the value of the m, that is a minus 10. Clear now? Now we can do, you can do this question. Now next question. Question number 4. If a vector equal to 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 3k cap and b vector equal to minus 2i cap minus 5j cap plus 7k cap, then find angle between a vector and b vector. This question for your homework, try to do yourself, because already I told you this type of question. If two vector is given, then angle between two vector, how we can find? Clear? Now only I told you formula, that if two vector is given, then if you want to find the angle between them, then we will use there for this one a vector dot b vector equal to ab cos theta. Clear? From here we can write there cos theta equal to a dot b vector a b. Now we will put there this one vector quantity a and b. There we will take the dot product of a and b, and then we will find the magnitude of a and b. Magnitude of a and b, how we can find there of this vector? I am telling a vector equal to 4i cap plus 6j cap plus minus k cap. Now magnitude of this vector, how we can find? Under root square of this term plus square of this term plus square of this term. Now 4 4 is 16 plus 36 plus 3 3 is 9. Clear? Now we will solve it. There will come 61. Same for the find the magnitude of b vector. B vector is given in your question minus 2 I cap minus 5 j cap plus 7 k cap. Now magnitude of b vector same. We will take 2 to the 4 plus 5 5 25 plus 7 into 7 49. Clear? Now after this we will take their addition, that will be 78. Clear? Both magnitude came out. Now we will find their a dot b, a vector dot b vector, a vector dot b vector. Now how we can find their I dot I will be 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 3j cap dot minus 2i cap minus 5j cap plus 7k cap. I dot I will be 1, so 4 minus 2 minus 8. I dot j 0, I dot k 0, j dot I 0, j dot j 1, so plus 6 minus 5, that will be minus 30. Clear? J dot k will be 0, k dot I 0, k dot j 0, k dot k 1, so multiply this one, minus 3 plus 7, 21, that will be minus 59. Clear? Their both term came, magnitude as well as this. Now put value of in this relation. Cos theta equal to a vector dot b vector by ab magnitude. Clear? Now a dot b our came minus 59, and magnitude of a our came under root 61, magnitude of b our came 78 minus. Clear? This will be our angle between them, like this. Clear now? Now you can find or not. Now for your homework, one question, that is, so that vector A 2i cap minus 3j cap minus k cap and b vector equal to minus 6i cap plus 9j cap plus 3k cap are parallel. This question try to do yourself. How we can find there, which condition we will use for show that this is parallel or not. There is a two relation we have done, that is the dot product, cross product. Dot product, if we will take the angle is 90 degree, then their dot product will be 0. For parallel, two vector parallel, that we can say that angle between them is a 0 angle. Then for the 0, then we can write their sine 0 equal to 0. That's why there we will satisfy this condition. A cross B equal to AB sine theta n cap, this one. If for parallel, then theta will be equal to 0. So we can write there A cross B equal to AB sine 0. So AB sine 0 will be equal to 0. Then we can write there A cross B vector equal to 0. This condition we will satisfy if A cross B will be equal to 0, then these vector will be parallel. If not 0, then these will be not parallel. So try to solve it, do yourself. Up to this topic, then try to solve numerical related to topic and complete your fair notebook. Okay.